This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Pick all the corn. Sounds like a plan. All right, so I have one block on my workspace. I can use 7, and I'm standing here. I'm just going to start throwing stuff down to test out. Okay, I need to go west and west. Let's try. Whoa, what did I just skip? I need to pick some corn. So west, pick corn, west, pick corn. Let me try that. I'm going to watch. I'm going to step through it each time. Yep, that's good. That's good. That's good. So now I have 5 blocks, but we have one more corn. So it should be west and pick corn. Remember, code always runs in order. But notice the pattern. So hopefully you're thinking, wait, isn't there an easier way? And there is. Right now we're using 7 out of 7 blocks. Let's check. This will run fine, but there's a faster way to actually do this. Now let me show you. Let's do the shortcut. So let me click replay. All right, west and pick. West and pick, west and pick. We don't need to use all this code. We don't need to use all these blocks. We don't need to write all that code. What we can do instead, anything we put in a repeat block gets repeated. However many times this number, whatever many times this number is. So right now it'd be 3 times. Once, twice, 3 times. Quip up, quacha. So now the computer's going to, let's step through it, right? So it says, okay, running. Oh, I need to repeat this 3 times. So I'm going to go west. I'm going to pick corn. It hits the bottom and goes zoop, west again and picks corn. And now it's been through twice, right? Zoop. It needs to go one more time and picks corn. If there was code beneath this, the loop would be done and it would run that code now. But we got it. Onward.